Yeah, I'm back again, guys. You ain't heard my voice for a little while, man. Yeah, I've just been making them videos that try and keep you inspired and let you learn more about the music industry and what's around, what's good to get, what you can get involved in. Yeah, we're doing different things on this channel, guys, to keep an eye on what's happening. And if you're here for the first time, remember to click that subscribe button down the bottom. Remember to like the video, guys. See, this gets in front of people that can also benefit off the content. So where we gonna go today? Right. So we're talking about how you can make money off your music online. On lockdown. Well, I said online because that's where we was gonna go. So basically what I'm saying is, how do we make money off our music on lockdown? Now, there's a couple ways we could do this, guys. You want to keep on working hard at what you do. Keep on making that music. This is going to be the best time to make music right now. This is going to be the best time to lay down your vocals. And you know what? Mastering and mixing, I'm sure you can send that in an email and get that back to you as quick as possible to put out there. Now, yeah, man, you have to use the internet to your advantage right now. So it's like online right now, it's crazy, but you have to do magical stuff online. Your content has to, you have to keep it real with your content, and you have to be making content quite regular. As you can see, the people at the top of the chain, they pump on a daily basis. They're in your faces. They're showing you that they're still on this. So on lockdown, I just think it's really good to try and collaborate as well, because then you get the best of their fans. You get to widen your reach with their fan base, and just keep it moving like that. Now, as we're on lockdown, sometimes you might find it a little bit difficult to get in the zone, but this is the best time to get in the zone, if you ask me. Write a little plan out, come up with a weekly plan, like put down some goals on paper, what you think, will be the best way to move forward. Even if it's not a week plan, go like 2-3 days at a time. So, for example, I'll put on my paper Monday, make 4 instrumentals, DM 5 people, 5 artists, try and keep it growing like that, and over the time you start to see a benefit in what you're doing. Now, how do we make music online right now in lockdown? We're talking Spotify right now. That's a good income source right there. So your music that you have on your Spotify right now, be sharing that online. Keep on sharing it. Keep on, pushing it out there. There's, it's you know how Spotify works already. If you don't know how Spotify works, I would recommend you research Spotify and just tap it in your Google, and information should come up. Or you could actually visit one of my videos, and I have a video on, how Spotify works and what you should expect from Spotify, and how you could generate money on Spotify. Another thing, artists should be getting into right now is, fashion. So using your music brand and your music fan base to push, things like t-shirts, just stuff that allows you to make your income now. Now, there's various places online where You know, you don't even need to have a warehouse. Or you're thinking, wow, what do you mean t-shirts? I don't have t-shirts. I don't know how to put stuff on t-shirts. There's actually places online right now where you just basically do your design and the company will handle putting it out for you, posting it to your fan base and stuff like that. It's simple as pie, man. You know, so I would search in your Google, tap in t-shirt making, or maybe tap in, you know, design a t-shirt, and something should come up that would allow you to create a design, post the link online, people buy the t-shirts, the company ships it, and you get your money. So you're basically the middleman collecting money. There's so much things we could be doing right now. And when we talk about putting it to the music, right now is the best time to start, you know, stacking them instrumentals, you know, writing them lyrics, like just constantly writing and stacking. Make it a daily plan. You know, you're lockdown, guys, like there's not much going on. Like, you know, some people are working from home. If you do music as a hobby, then, you know, it's gonna allow you more time to do what you need to do. But, you know, just keep keep in touch with what's happening out there. So keep up to date with your social media, see what's going down, see what's happening. You know, it's the right time right now. I'm telling you, it's the right time to mess around with music. It might seem stupid, but I'm telling you right now, you could, you know, alright, let's put it this way. So you got a week ahead of you, 5 days, you've taken out the weekends, you bang out 4 or 5 beats a day. We're talking about quite a lot of beats in a week. You write 2 songs a day. We're talking about a couples, well, not even a couple, we're talking about quite a bit of songs, you know. And making music online has become very easy nowadays. You know, anything you want, you search it in your Google and it comes up. So I'm going to give you 3 more ideas on how to make money with your music. Right. Number 1. This is for all you producers. You got more time to share your instrumentals and get them sales. And if you're giving away free beats, this is the right time to start getting artists to work with your beats. You know, it's simple as that, guys. Number 2, this is for you artists out there. Start looking for producers to work with. You know, start getting them projects out quickly. You know, send a message to 5 producers a day. Just simple as that. 5 producers a day, Monday to Friday. I guarantee you, by the end of the month, you have a couple beats to work on, whether they're free or you've negotiated some price of how much you're going to pay for it, you know. Number 3, this is the last tip of the day, guys. This is the last tip of the day. And I think it will be really good to start messing around with your YouTube more and going on social media. This is for you producers and artists. Start uploading more content, you know. Start thinking about different revenue streams, like monetizing, trying to get your subscribers up, putting out good content, you know. That's simple as pie, guys. Simple as pie. And as you we've actually gone through this video. I hope I've given you some ideas, and you probably have come up with brainstorming. And when I mean brainstorming, get a piece of paper and just brainstorm, you know. And it's a new you, man. This lockdown, we're all handling it different, but I'm telling you, there's money to make, even though everything's a little bit, everything's changed. And I'm gonna leave you guys. Salute every single one of you. You've done how we do it, and it's great to be back talking to you guys. But on this channel we do different things. We like to mess around a lot, so do subscribe and give this a thumbs up, guys. Really appreciate it. I'm gone again. Salute every single one of you.